Good morning. I am heading off to the beach with my dad and sister with my drone, and we're going to take some cool footage of my dad and sister surfing. So let's head to the beach.
Staring at two different views on your window ledge. Coffee is gone cold, it's like time froze.
So John's here now and he is doing some drone filming of Dad, and I've got the GoPro now, so I'm going off. Bye, John. I'm gonna go head back into the waves and try and film Dad catching some waves. Alrighty. It's actually really hard with one hand doing this.
Just wanna pack up my things and go.
Okay.
Just wanna zone,
Yeah.
just wanna flow, just
Oh,
wanna
this is
hunt
actually
again, but sometimes
a lot
killing
more
my
challenging
vibe.
than I thought it was going to be, but
Just wanna live and see
see Dad over.
the ghosts keep on calling, yeah, this life we live so
Hey, Dad.
love and the rave, you know.
Good, how are
There's
you?
love and the rave, you know. All inside you, all in
We
the soul,
on a
soul,
wave,
soul, soul, soul. You know when the calling's calling you and the calling's calling more. You know when the calling's calling you, it's calling more.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Go, Dad, go, Dad.
Calling's calling more. You know when the calling's calling. It's calling, calling more.
Dad, that was so good. Yeah, that was awesome.
A little bit stiff.
You should. Oh, that was so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I felt a little bit stiff.
Did ya?
Of course, you've got to keep doing it every week, you know?
Yeah, I know. You got to keep getting out there, Dad. It looks so pretty because you're like still. It's like a Silver Surfer. Because you're the Silver Surfer. Did you know that?
Come on now, horse page energy, yeah, for the evening. 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 You know when the calling's calling more, and it's calling, calling.
There you go, wishing, floating down, I wish it will. It's like I'm always causing problems, causing hell. I didn't mean to put you through this, I could tell. We're gonna sweep this under the carpet. I hope that I can turn back the time to make it all alright for us. I promise to build a new world for us two, with you in the middle.
Got cameras everywhere, Dad.
Hello.
Do you enjoy it?
Yeah.
Look, we've got some good
Good
waves.
getting in the water.
Yeah.
Water was cool when you first hit it.
Yeah.
Like the GoPro, and then it just jumped me and it snapped, and I was like, oh no, so I'm chasing the board now.
Yeah.
Oh well.
You seem pretty comfortable out in the water, which is good. People are going to think that we're celebrities or something.
So that was a successful morning surfing.
Watch your cameras, your phone, show
Yes,
them.
please.
So yes.
Yes, please. That's my back.
Where'd you get the food from?
I bought toast.
Oh my goodness.
I made 2 pieces and then I packed 1 piece because I knew I'd be hungry after.
All right, everybody got everything out of the car that you
Yep.
want?
Yeah.
Do you want
Yep.
to put any bags in the car? Sheridan?
Yeah, I got my bag.
Alright, well I think that's it for surfing, and I think we're gonna go and grab a coffee.
Okay.
Yum.
Enjoying your toast.
Yeah, it's
Beware
white wine on
breakfast.
toast. It's like good. I'm so glad I did this because I'm like, you know what? I couldn't eat the first one this morning. Like I had 2 and I ate one. I'm like, I'm too full. But I bet you I would want it after I get out of the water.
Oh, you forgot that.
Oh yeah.
Dad,
Sorry.
the leg rope.
Broken one.
That mine. Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers.
Thanks for hanging out with us this morning at the beach, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.